Today, the internet and social media are present in everyone's life. Now, according to recent studies, a person spends more than 5 hours on the internet, and the total audience is already more than 4 billion. Now, this information suggests that the most effective tools for business promotion are the internet and your website. But for aspiring entrepreneurs who want to sell quickly online, it's best to start with a landing page rather than a full-fledged e-commerce store or website. So before you can start selling your products online, you need three things. That's identifying the ideal customer or customer's dream, traffic source, and the landing page. Now the first is to define your ideal customer's profile, and you are now the world of digital and you have a product to sell. And as a first step, you need to create an audience for yourself, and first you need to find answers to questions such as who your dream or ideal customer is, where your goal or perfect customer hangs out in, and the digital world and their problems and how you can solve them. Alright, now your dream client is searching Google for weight loss exercises and diet plans and browsing social media feeds. Now their problem is finding out how to get in shape fast. Now you have a solution that can solve their problem. Now that we've identified the sources of where you can find the perfect client, we'll advertise and attract targeted traffic to the landing page. Now, our fitness entrepreneur has already placed the ideal client and knows where to hang out online, and we can target that audience and run ads on Facebook. Now, these ads will be linked to our landing page. Now, the next step is the landing page, which is the essential part of our sales funnel. Now, the main elements of high conversation landing page are the landing page entities, which include your landing page copy is the most critical component of a landing page. Good copy is essential because it communicates your message to your audience, and your landing page copy should emphasize the value of your product or services that will offer to your customers. Now, use an attractive offer to hook your audience on the landing page. Now, your landing page copy should provide solutions to the dream or ideal customers' pain points. Now, you'll choose the right style and design options that resonate with your brand and audience, and your landing page should load quickly in the digital world. Buying decisions are made in seconds. Now, your landing page should be optimized for mobile devices, and don't forget that the landing page should have an e-commerce capabilities and to make it easier to sell your product. Now, there are many website builders and landing page builders. Some specialize in creating landing pages, others as part of comprehensive marketing packages, but I recommend using Swipe Pages in this case because it checks all the boxes you need to create a high conversion landing page. Now, don't worry, if you don't know about design, you can just use one of the 50 plus ready-made templates to get you started. You can simply drag and drop widgets and edit the templates to your liking. And Swipe Pages has e-commerce capabilities, and you can connect to your Stripe and PayPal accounts and start selling in no time. Now, most importantly, the pages created on Swipe Pages loading is lightning fast. Now, they have some of the fastest load times I've seen, and thanks to AMP, they pack in less than ones and are optimized for mobile devices. Now, in the video description, I've provided links to helpful resources regarding identifying dream customers, running ads, and in this video, I will show you how you can use Swipe Pages to sell products through a fast loading landing page. Now, using Swipe Pages is easy, and you don't need programming skills. To get started, you can try the 14-day free trial, log in with your login information, and we can do so by using Login with Google. And I will show you how it's done quickly. And we're going to use my other account. Okay, now we got loaded in. So now we're ready to go. So using this is going to be very, very easy. Alright, now your landing page toolbar will contain all the current and previous pages you've created in your Swipe Pages account. Now, to create a landing page, click the blue button right here in the right corner of the toolbar, and you will need to write details about your landing page and specify the type that you want. All right, and then we're going to choose the page type, and let's just do that. And we'll choose from here. Choose from two basic options, the standard landing page, and the AMP landing page. Now, whatever you choose, it will work, but the AMP landing page is the best. Is going to be the best because it is pre-visualized and works faster than the standard option. Now, once that's done, now you can choose from various landing page templates. There are several categories to choose from, and you can easily filter the options according to the specific landing page that you're trying to create. And when you hover over the template, you can either use the template and edit it directly, or just browse through it. So you can use this or just use view template and actually view it, such as this, right? So we can check it out. And you can see this landing page, and you can go ahead and use the template just to kind of save you the time if you decide you like that. All right, now suppose you want to create a landing page for like a webinar, or you can also find this template here. It's simple and very aesthetically pleasing, and all you have to do is add your image and change some of the text, and we can do that. Just use the template, and I'm just going to use this one right here. Let's take a look. Yeah, let's go to webinar, for example. We're going to use template. All right. Now, here we go. Now, you can find that this template here, right? So you see what I have, and it's simple and very pleasing, as you can see. Now, all you have to do is change those things that we were discussing, and just click use the template, and now you're going to be coming to the user toolbar and everything that you can see. Now, you can add as many sections as you want in the left column by simply dragging and dropping them, and you can also edit the text as much as you want. Now, once you click on the text box, you can use the left column to adjust the text color, right? So we can say here, and now we have the text color. Highlight this and go to text color. You can even change the background color as well if you want, and I'm just going to click and go here. We can choose red, for example. You can choose blue, how you see fit. And now that way we change the color, and we can even change the size of this. Now that we have that, we can change the size. And so we can do from the left, we can center this how you want, and you can text align to move it around as well. Alright, now Swipe Pages also gives you access to an extensive database of free images to enhance your landing page. So you can also upload your own if you need to. Now you can view your landing page on multiple screens, including mobile devices, tablet, desktops, and laptops. So when your landing page is ready, you can publish it by adding your domain or using the Swipe Pages domain. And you can get a part from GoDaddy or Namecheap and connect it to Swipe Pages in just a few steps. Now, you can usually create your Swipe Pages URL and connect it to an existing one. And once this is done, you'll be able to manage the effectiveness of your landing page on your dashboard. And going through and looking, and let's take a look and go down just a little bit as well. And when we click on here, on the pictures and images, we can just click right here, and you go to a section, a row, or a column, right, and we can change. You can even hide if you'd like this image if you want, right. You can trash it if you want to change. Now when we click on the image, you can change, or you can actually add a module if you want. You can change into an image right here, and you can upload a new image as well. Not only that, when we click, you can also add different things. You can click a button if you wanted to click here. For example, here's our image, right? We can change the placeholder color as well. We have that a little bit different. And the action here would be, for example, to go to a URL, you can go to a section, you can actually open up a light box, you can call, email, pop up. Let's just say call just for this. There's a phone number, enter in your phone number and an alternate text, and so forth and so on, and you're done. And this is how it's going to go. Very easy, very fast. And as well, the same thing is going to apply to all of the text. Let's say meet your host. How can we get Spotful here? We can come here and we can even go to card and column and so forth. And we can just move it how we want as well. Everything is going to be very easy. You can duplicate that as well. And just coming in and doing the same thing as well, right? So the same thing are going to be for images and giving this the webinar, right? Here's the button. When you click on the button, the same thing, you're going to see everything on the left-hand side that we need. This is the important part, and we can go to action, and we can go to URL, open up a lightbox call pop-up. We can say open up a lightbox, and you can choose one from your library, my images or free images that they have offered, right? We can say this and download the image and use it because they have many of them, and you can upload if you haven't already done so. All right, and here is where, if I didn't show you before, you can go to laptop, and you can go to tablet views, and you can go to the mobile as well, all up here. And here we're going to click on save just to save our template here. And we're going to save. Now we've saved it. Now we're ready. So now we're ready to publish it, right? And now we want to make a domain. Now this is what we were discussing just a few moments ago. And here we will come through and choose one. For example, now we have this name, and we can choose our domain too. And we haven't set any domain name yet, so we can go to the global domain and set this as well. And we can kind of go ahead and start doing that, and then we're ready to go. Now, Swipe Pages will provide detailed analytics about your landing page success and information on your new leads. And Swipe Pages helps you create great landing pages. Now, and they're going to be able to track your effectiveness with detailed analytics. Now, you can also connect CRM integrations to your Swipe Pages account. You can connect your Stripe account if your landing pages are e-commerce related, and it doesn't take long to connect your Stripe account. It is an excellent resource for e-commerce landing page. And Swipe Pages also allows users to create order cancellations and generate discount coupons. Now, anyone can launch their business online without needing a developer or a designer. And one more thing before we go, I do want to note and mention that I have made probably tens and thousands of dollars with using Swipe Pages, and especially with the order forms. And I'm going to show you that right before we go. And how do we do that? Let's go ahead and go to the cart, e-commerce. Click on e-commerce, and here we can do products. Now here on this page, to show you guys, I don't have anything, but let's add a product. We're going to click add product, and once we do, we can put the name of that product. We can say a Mad Hat, like just to be a little funny, Mad Hatter, right? And we can set the price. Now we can say $12, $15, $12.50, right? However, now it is optional, and it is the best thing in my experience to add a picture. Now, of course, I'm assuming you've already have pictures of all your products. When you're ready to go, just click here, and then this will load up, and it comes to where you will select your photograph. After that, you can do is set as an order bump, and if you want that, you can do that. And then under the order bump, this description will come up, and just type your description. Now you can use bold, italics, underline, right across through as well, and then just click add product. Right now I just done that there, and here we have it. Now you can do edit at any time in case you make some changes, and click on the horizontal. You can delete it, you can duplicate it if it's something similar, and there you go. The payment gateways, this is all support, like we talked about, Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay. You can configure all of these based on your needs, and coupons as well. You can add coupons, the coupon name, you can make the coupon code, all products, so forth and so on. And then you can even do your store settings for that e-commerce, which is really handy, right? Your base information, your base currency. Now I have mine as US dollars, so you can change yours or update that how you see fit, and add your business info. Just click on this, and here you go. Add your business logo, the invoice, your address, and all of this information. Now I've done that. It's very handy. I recommend you go ahead and jump and do that as well. And that's what I wanted to share with you. Go ahead and start making that money, because the dollar limit is non-existent at this point. So you can, however you want, however your products are, you can sell them here. And adding products is a major deal. Get your products listed, get them going, make your pictures, and start earning money.